Step 1. Start by being consistently honest, even when it's difficult, to demonstrate your integrity and build a foundation of trust. Step 2. Actively listen to your partner or friend without interruption. Show genuine interest in what they have to say. Step 3. Follow through on your promises and commitments. Being reliable shows you value their time and expectations. Step 4. Be open and transparent about your feelings and thoughts, but also respect their boundaries and comfort levels. Step 5. Show empathy by trying to understand their perspective, even if you don't necessarily agree with it, to promote connection. Step 6. Respect their boundaries and understand that their limits are important for a healthy relationship dynamic. Step 7. Be vulnerable and share your own fears and insecurities. This allows for a deeper connection and mutual understanding. Step 8. Offer support during challenging times, showing that you are there for them through thick and thin. Step 9. Practice forgiveness. Holding on to grudges erodes trust over time. Let go of minor offenses. Step 10. Communicate openly and honestly about conflicts or disagreements to find mutually agreeable solutions. Step 11. Avoid gossip and speaking negatively about them to others. This demonstrates loyalty and preserves trust. Step 12. Respect their privacy. Avoid snooping through their personal belongings or online accounts without their explicit permission. Step 13. Show gratitude for their presence in your life and express your appreciation for their efforts in the relationship. Step 14. Acknowledge and apologize sincerely when you make a mistake. Taking responsibility is essential for rebuilding broken trust. Step 15. Be patient. Building trust takes time, consistency, and effort from both parties involved in the relationship.